What? The dancer get the people them crazy now. Pearl or rock.
Dancer.
Ready for what the rock?
Man, global thing there.
You know, sister energy a lucky world. You know, sister cool kid a lucky world. Shakespeare, you that a lucky world. Take a flight and go and go rocky world. Rock the world now, rock the world now, rock the world now, rock the world.
Palisados, East Kingston is our location for this week's episode of Predis. I'm your host, Michaela Leana, and this week we have a jam-packed show just for you. Stay tuned because your Predis journey starts right now. For the entire family. It's the Easter edition of Fun Fest at Hope Gardens and we have the highlights. Let's check it out.
Said this morning I woke up and I look in the mirror and every part of my body was in place. Many people died and never saw this day. So another day I live, I appreciate. Don't ever wanna act too high and mighty, cause tomorrow I can fall down on my face. So in everything, Lord, I give you praise, and that puts a smile on my face. Lord, I thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for joy, thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day, beautiful day.
What do you think of Fun Fest?
It was fun and kind of very nice.
What about you? What's your name?
Lena Price.
And what do you think about the event today?
It was fun.
Fun Fest, it was nice this year. Tell you about the rain, kind of have the crowd away.
First time coming?
No, I've been here before.
What brought you to Fun Fest today?
Well, my kids, at least my son, my 5-year-old son, say he wanted to come because he started on the TV advertising and he wanted to come, so I bring up my 3 kids today. Although the rain far, we're still having fun.
Fun Fest 2017, what brought you here today?
Well, the activities are, I have my 15-month-old Emma, so I took her just to enjoy the rides and just to take out the family and have some fun. It's my first time, our first time.
Okay, and your thoughts overall of the event?
Well, it's good thus far. We just got here, so we're checking out the rides. She's 15 months, so we're trying to see which ride she's able to go on without the parent, but I guess most of the rides would require the parents.
Mommy, how are you doing?
Hi, how are you? I'm good, thanks.
Fun Fest, what you like about this event? Why you decided to come along with husband and kids?
Well, I've seen it a lot of years advertising and I've always wanted to come. I know I have a reason to come because I have a child that I can take to enjoy the activities. So that's why I'm here.
So yeah, though I walk through the valleys of the shadows of death, I will fear no evil, won't be dismayed when I see the clock ticking away and things are not in place. Everything in life happens for a reason. Disappointment comes with a lesson. It's for me to get wiser, got to work harder. In the end, it will get better.
This is actually our 3rd year, and every year we have an Easter and a Christmas edition, and we're always on board.
What's the synergy like? Describe for us the whole synergy with this event.
I mean, the synergy is great. The kids are here, parents are here. We also have the Lascaux High School scavenger hunt going on.
Why Fun Fest?
I mean, look at the crowd. Fun Fest is just an event suited for the entire family. It's always great vibe and energy. The promoters are well organized. So without a doubt, Lascaux, of course, will always support this event.
5 years, how has Fun Fest evolved?
Wow, you know what we enjoy about our patrons is that they're very vocal, right? So they tell us what they like, they tell us what they don't like, and we're always looking at ways in which to improve what we do. We think about the various age groups too to ensure that we have a little bit of something for everyone. So we say from as young as toddlers to as old as grandparents, we ensure that we have some activities that will engage everyone from the family.
Big crowd today. What are your thoughts about the event?
families love to get together and they rarely do it because, you know, it's so easy for people to get distracted with work and the pressures of life. And so when you do have an opportunity to spend it with your loved ones, you kind of capitalize on it. And it's a public holiday and it's a perfect time because everybody's off from work, the kids are off from school, and we really provide wholesome family entertainment. That's what they get. I mean, we promise it and that's what we deliver on.
And of course, the showers today did not deter your crowd.
I always think that showers are indeed a blessing, right? You know, the Father knows what's best. And it actually kind of cooled down the day, which is great. Persons stayed, some persons left, but then persons came in as well. It really didn't dampen today's activities at all because the rides, once the rain stopped, we dried off all the rides and we got them up and moving again as quickly as possible. The next Fun Fest is going to be Emancipation Day, and that's going to be in Kingston.
And before we go to our first commercial break, let's listen up to these very important road safety tips for our bicycle riders, courtesy of our sponsors, Superior Parts Limited.
Riding responsibly will do a lot of good towards easing tensions and fostering a more harmonious environment between motorists and cyclists. It is generally either illegal or unsafe to ride on a sidewalk or on the road towards oncoming traffic. It is best to ride in the direction of the traffic. If you are traveling at the same speed as other traffic, it may be safer to jump in and ride with the traffic because this could make you more visible to motorists. For your safety, it's best to always wear a helmet. These tips are brought to you by Superior Parts Limited, making Honda affordable.
Manufacturers of vehicles are not necessarily the manufacturers of parts. They outsource in places such as Japan, Thailand, China, Malaysia, Indonesia, or wherever it is most cost-effective to do so. Visit Superior Parts today for the widest range of genuine and non-genuine, new and used Honda parts in Kingston, Maypen, Mandeville, Mobay, and Ocho Rios. Telephone 929-4410 or 758-0830. Superior Parts Limited, making Honda affordable.
Victory is the only option. And your biggest opponent is that voice inside your head. And you know, with Hydrate Hydration, you can do almost anything, even when work is a workout.
Up to $40 less than other popular rehydration drink brands, Lasco Hydrate is everyday hydration for everyday heroes.
Your body needs hydration.
We have a post.
Even when work is a workout. Workout.
Up to $40 less than other popular rehydration drink brands, Lasco Hydrate is everyday hydration for everyday heroes.